things if you get dropped in the middle of. You guys start thinking. You guys start talking then.
Ben хоче, щоб друг йому подарував його gift cards.
Я думаю, що я дам Майклс gift card.
Михайла, так?
Так.
34,
І
24.
я удержую 3.
3.
But you may not have known Trinidad Public Aid.
Michaela is Michael.
Misha is the nickname for
Yeah,
Michael.
what's this you call soap? We have no soap in our country.
This is for Michael.
Я люблю тебе. Я люблю мого брата. Я люблю мого брата. I mean, I love my brother. І ми скучаємо за вас. We miss you.
You come back.
How do you say
Adios, amigo.
Michael, they totally forgot how to speak in English. They came back. They can't
Could
speak
you guys
any
speak a little
English.
faster? I feel like you were speaking slow.
I was talking like a textbook on purpose. You know, like on my tapes.
But it's more fun to hear, like...
Хорошо!
I thought that was new. I thought that meant new.
That's Luke. Luke took Russian, so I was just speaking a little.
That word always sounded like Japanese to me.
It does.
Hey, Michael.
Oh, look. Now see Mark
what's your
saying
boss?
hi.
Mark saying hi. Mark, stand up and say America.
Say hi to,
From you
say hi to your
guys.
brother.
English.
I would like to, so we could really
Oh, you're gonna get like my entire face. Hello.
Look at Margie's hair. Isn't it cute? Look, turn it around. Oh, you look so cute. I love it. I love it.
Іде. Розсердиться.
Я буду розсердитися.
Oh, that's angry.
Спрей. Гель, спрей, мус,
Зламати.
шампунь,
Happy New Year.
Света.
Happy my birthday.
Джинси.
jeansy, chipsy.
I'm adding that into the song.
What is jeansy?
Jeans.
Huh? Jeans? Is that what they call it, jeansy?
You guys could do it. We'll tell you all the simple words.
Okay.
Sneak.
Sneak.
Oh, that's...
The problem is that the
Skinny.
word
Did you know the word for
Say hi,
AIDS
Skinny.
sounds sweet?
Say hi to Mike.
Why do you know the word for AIDS? Hi, Mike. Merry Christmas.
There's no one that said...
You didn't draw that on?
Skinny, kissy.
Look how skinny he is, Michael. Ooh, he's sharp too.
And Margie, too.
I know,
Margie, well, yeah. You didn't even see Margie when she hasn't been skinny.
Michael.
Michael.
What? Michael?
Michael.
Oh, yeah. I got it. You know what? You did that. How did you find that?
I was
Who did it?
I said you did this.
I don't remember.
We thought it was you. Look at what I found, Michael. Look at that.
I thought it was
My
Kevin.
brother did that. Do you think it was Kevin? No,
Maybe it was
because
your
Mike
kids.
is next to
Maybe
you.
it was your kids. Maybe it was Christy.
No.
Can we scrape?
You know what? We're all together. Say goodbye to Michael. Say goodbye to Michael, Dad. This is for Michael.
Stop having.
Bye-bye, Michael.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, okay, you will.
Merry
be.
Christmas, Michael. Have a great year.
You're safe.
Happy New Year.
See you next.